chance. There's nobody. As in, nobody. Guess somebody wants to watch the mouse. What was that? You scare me. Girl, okay, hop on. Come on, hop on. I know I'm scared. Where's my big sister, Fluttershy? Here I am. Fluttershy, you came so... Ouch. Shirley. Wait. I can sing here. I really used to sing before Drax. Yeah, I used to do. Well, I used to say, I used to sing that song a lot, but sorry, little distraction. Yes. What is the dog? Oh yeah, right. Whoops. Sorry, fella. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Get back where you are supposed to be. What was that? I think that was somebody growling. Just kidding. Well, I got night, I guess. Oh, I'm better when I go up bed, right? Yeah, me too. Good night, pups. Or should I say ponies? Me too. I'm Chubby. Yeah. And then walk. Say fly. Bye, people. I'm flying away. Ouch. I'm gonna hop on too. Whoa. You just flirted here. What are you doing? Huh? Yeah. I'm not fit up here. Wow, now Fluttershy is late. Oh. Okay. Oh, hey, Teddy. Please call me Tommy. Okay, hey Tommy. Hi, Fluttershy. How do you know my name? Oh, let's sit down. Let's take a seat. Hi. I hope I could take you a ride. Oh no, thanks. Yes, please. Sorry, Fluttershy, but I can't help it. Okay, let's see. Okay, bye-bye. So, like this day, what's Fluttershy doing with Tommy? What? But when you guys weren't looking, she said that we'll sleep together. She was gonna bring something. I don't know. I just don't know. Are you kidding me? Think Seal gonna be my friend? Hey, Flush. Secret agent? No. My big sister was right there. Yeah. What about? She said when nobody was looking, like he was whispering in your ear. Whoa, she did that? Yes, he was like, then she didn't do it, and she said she was giving me like this. Yo, it's so stupid. Don't talk that loud. I'm not gonna talk to her anymore. You're like, what I meant. Just go away. Okay. In the end, there will be somewhere here. Wait, we're almost getting off. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Whoa. Come on, Tommy. Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me, pardon me. Gotta swim away. I hate this day. I don't like this. Come on, Tommy. See you. Let's go. See you. Oh, come. Oh, coming. Yeah. Oh, what are you gonna do with the big front? I don't know. Like, I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm still thinking about it. I hope Pinkie Pie was here. When, oh, I don't know. Pinkie Pie moved. Oh, it's just up to me. Thinking in my brain. Thinking in my brain. What if I just... Hey, Seal. I have a 50. What if I dressed up like Pinkie Pie and I sneaked up on Fluttershy? Then I zip off and then I'll tell her about everything that I mentioned. That sounds like a good idea. Oh, the very last thing that I want to find is a Pinkie Pie costume. Can't go where Pinkie Pie is. Pinkie Pie is all the way to Fort. Oops, sorry. No problem. I don't know. Ugh, I keep falling off myself. So many. Oh, I remember. It's serious. I have a Pinkie Pie. Oh, great. Let's go. Okay, here I am. I just stopped. I'm still like the same. Only I just pretend. Okay. Oh, here she comes. Oh, hi, Pink Pie. Hi, Seal. Can you speak up to me for, Pink Pie? Yeah, sure. Pink Pie, wake up. Come on, wake up. Yippee! Flashlight, Flashlight's back. Flashlight's back. Hi, Flashlight. Pink Pie, whoa. I thought you were in another country. Yeah, I don't think so. I'm leaving. Aha! I don't know. Aha! Fluttershy! Wait, what? Wait. Oh my god. Why are you here anyway? Why did you steal my best friend? Why are you not my best friend anymore? What do you mean? I mean, like, okay. Yeah, like Tommy was right next. Tommy's was right next to you. Oh, he was in your spot. We didn't see you pass by. Whatever. Oh, cheers for me. Yay! Is it the end? Yep. That's the end. Click in the comments if you think we should put a prank on Fluttershy or if Pinkie Pie or Fluttershy. If she dresses up Pinkie Pie. Right, guys? I heard that. Well, what do you think? I think coming. Yeah, I sure think that. Yeah, I think that is. Bye. Bye. Oh, if you and our movie's called. What is it? Oh, our movie called is Rainbow Skittles. Rainbow Skittles. I mean, what you call this? Being silly update. Making silly updates. So that's our movie, okay? Bye-bye.